The world, here's Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant, and this is your 5-minute turbo analysis for Bitcoin today, October the 31st. And guys, we are starting now. Technical analysis from TradingFees. This is telling us on the 1 day we should buy Bitcoin. Higher time frame, yes, we should buy Bitcoin. But 4 hour, sell your Bitcoin. 2 hour, sell your Bitcoin. And 1 hour, strong, sell your Bitcoin. Very important, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice, but we will check what's going on now here. If CoinMarketCap, this is telling us Bitcoin is going down a little bit on the day. On the week, a little bit to the upside, 1%. And you can see, yes, on the last 7 days, we saw a sideways going Bitcoin up and down and up and down. Ethereum is going down a little bit more as Bitcoin today, 0.66 devil sign yesterday, Halloween, and today we're going down a little. But on the 7 days, we see a nice pump for Ethereum to the upside, 5%. Binance Coin, 10% in the week. Tether is James Bond, okay? Cardano, 7.6% in the minus in the week. Solana is going down, XRP is going up in the week, and so on and so on. For the moment, we can see the Bitcoin dominance is on 44.1%, Ethereum 19.4%. What does this mean? The Bitcoin dominance is going down. Yes, we are in a nice uptrend. On the bigger side, yes, we are in a big downtrend, but we are in an uptrend, in a little uptrend, in the bigger uptrend. It's a little bit complicated, but for the moment, what is really important, we need now to climb from here. If we will see more Bitcoin dominance, if we will trade Bitcoin and not the altcoins, this would be maybe a nice moment, because maybe, guys, this is the bottom now. Maybe after this, we will see maybe an upgoing price. Next part is 45%. This is the next really, really important resistance for the dominance. So, guys, let's watch this one here. This is the daily. Watch, first of all, the 1 hour time frame. This is the 1 hour time frame. And yes, you can see we saw a bad spike to the downside, 60,666. Devil sign, remember. And now we see here a lower low, and guys, this is not good for the moment. This is a lower low, and you can see we're going down. We saw here this falling wedge. We saw a breakout of this falling wedge, a really nice breakout, then a nearly clear sorry guys, how to tell it, let me check. Yes, a retest, sorry guys, a retest of this falling wedge, and now we're going down more. This is not good. If you're watching this, we are in a bad downtrend. We need a breakout. You can see maybe if we will see a breakout, but for the moment it's not so nice. If we will see a breakout, this point is important, 62,000. The next thing is the Fibonacci, the next thing is the next Fibonacci, and then maybe the next thing is 65,000. But a long way to the upside, guys. Guys, 3 minutes are over soon for TikTok and Instagram. For YouTuber, we are going on here. So, for the downside, we have some targets, 60,000, real psychological support, okay, you know it, and 57,800 is the big support to the downside. But guys, we need to break out to the upside to see more pump. For the moment, yes, we broke this falling wedge, that's right. And for the moment, we are going down a little bit more. That's not the best thing, that's not the best sign. Remember, today is Sunday, maybe the bloody Sunday, so we need to watch this. Maybe tomorrow, Monday, maybe we see the big pump for Monday, but for the day, it's a really hard fight in my opinion. Let me check the next thing. Now let's go to the 1 day. Look at this here on the 1 day. You have here some really nice drawings. Yes, we can delete it. But look at this blue line here. That's the Ichimoku 9 length line. And you can see for the moment, the Ichimoku is holding. We saw a bad spike to the downside, a bad retest of this line here, of this downgoing wedge, falling wedge line, and a spike under the Ichimoku. But for now, we have still a confirmed closing candle here, and maybe in 15 hours, I hope so, a confirmed closing candle here over the Ichimoku. It's really important to close this candle over the Ichimoku on the daily. And guys, remember, we have the weekly chart close here, and let me check the weekly. What's going on with the weekly close? Because in 15 hours, this week will close, and this is a really, really unsure doji star candle, guys. It's not easy for this, and if we will see a long spike to the downside, a long spike to the upside, it's a really, really unsure closing candle. But remember this candle here. Let me check it. The candlestick pattern, it was a bearish harami. And guys, these are now really bearish signs. Remember this. We saw here bearish signs, we went down. We saw here a bullish engulfing, a nice upgoing. Then we saw a bearish harami and now a doji. Remember, a doji is a sign for a trend reversal. So guys, maybe last week we saw the bearish harami. Oh my God, we're going down. Now we see the trend reversal also. Oh my God, we're going more down. So remember, these are signs, are really important signs if you are a trader for the weekly, that we may go down more and more. That this fourth wave here, and I think, guys, yes, we are in the fourth wave. We saw a 1, 2, 3. And the important thing is now, where is wave number 4? Maybe here on 53,000. It's possible, remember this. And after this, wave number 5 for that next upgoing wave here, 60,000, 70,000, 80,000. It's possible. So yes, I know, magic gas reading, I know it. Yoda Biti, how would you know this? No, guys, this is the 5-wave upgoing Elliott wave theory, and in this opinion, if this will play out here, we may see now wave number 4, and it depends always. So we it here on 58,000, both this the end, and after this back to the upside, or will we see more downgoing Bitcoin price? It's possible, guys. It's possible. Keep this in your mind. This is not a weekly forecast. This is the daily. So we will end this video for today. 5 minutes are over. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Thanks for your comments. Thanks for my nice support right in real life. Thank you so much. You are my supporter number 1, Troll Margolichuti. You are my supporter number 2. Guys, thank you so much for supporting me. Thank you to my special thanks to my moderators. Crypto Trucknado, thank you so much. And Angry Higgins, you are the best, man. Thank you for your work, for your writings in the chat, in my live stream. I'm streaming live stream for 7 days a week. Bitcoin Trading Info is the name on YouTube and on Twitch. Please visit me there. I would be very happy if you will see us there, if we will write there together. So guys, have a nice time. Greetings. Yours Biti, your Bitcoin man. And guys, it doesn't matter if you go long or if you go short. I wish you make millions. Bye, guys.